starting with 2 cans of cream of mushroom soup. On top of that, you're gonna add 2 cans of chicken drained, 1 bag of onions, celery, and carrots, and then about 2 cups of peas. You can just eyeball it, doesn't have to be exact, that looks great. 6 ounces or so about of noodles. Then take a minute and stir all of that together, just mixing the cream of mushroom with those frozen veggies. And those frozen veggies, as they cook, they're gonna provide a little bit of liquid, so it will go great with the cream of mushroom soup. You don't have to add any additional liquid. Just stir it all together so it's nice and mixed up. So we got our chicken in there, we got some noodles in there, we got a cream of mushroom soup to make it nice and savory. Ooh, we got the loaded vegetables and some of those delicious noodles. You guys, this is a budget-friendly dinner that will feed an entire family. We're gonna top it with some sharp cheddar cheese right on top. Oh, that cheese is just gonna soak right in to all of the noodles and the veggies. I am just gonna not be stingy about it. I'm gonna pour the entire thing and just make sure that it's evenly spread right there over the top. Now, to make this even better, I have some crispy Lay's potato chips. I'm gonna take them right out of the bag. I'm gonna place them on top. I'm just gonna give them just a little crunch, right? We're just gonna break them up just a little bit. I don't want too small of pieces, but not any full whole chips. Now, if you guys ever make a casserole and use the green bean casserole and use the fried onions, holy cow, the Lay's chips are so good also on top of using that cream of mushroom soup. It gives it that crunchy, kind of a little bit salty, and really great extra flavor. I just love the crispy crunchiness. So we're gonna layer a nice hefty layer of these Lay's potato chips right on top. Now, I don't know, maybe you're gonna try a different chip. I even thought maybe a sour cream and onion or even some type of a cheddar cheese one would be really tasty. I don't know, let me know in the comments. I'm gonna take this, I'm gonna put it in the oven. It's gonna cook at 350 for only about 25 minutes. That's really all it needs. And stick around because I think you're really gonna love this one. All right, we are ready to rock and roll. Look at those potato chips on top. Oh, they're a little bit golden brown, a little crispier. I can kind of see the melted cheese peeping through. Oh, and listen to this, right when I dig in. Oh, you hear that crunch from those potato chips? Oh, that's so exciting because the creaminess of that mushroom soup and that chicken and all those veggies is just gonna be so tasty with that. I'm gonna just come in here, get it right out. Look at all that melted cheese in there. Oh yeah, it's steaming hot. That looks so good. Oh my gosh, I think it's just way too hot. Oh, it smells delicious. You guys, look at those peas. We got the veggies and the chicken and a crunch with the cheese. It is piping hot. I am gonna need to let this cool down. I cannot wait to scarf into it. Let me know what you guys think about this easy budget-friendly dinner. If there's anything else you would throw in, or I don't know, anything you would do different. Let me know in the comments, you guys. I hope you really enjoy this and we'll see you later.